Since its introduction, Sage CRM has featured tight integration with Microsoft Outlook. This integration has relied on Outlook's web browser support for its functionality. With the release of Outlook 2010, Microsoft dropped web browser support. This in turn has required some modifications to the integration with Sage CRM. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the changes. Note that in order to integrate with Outlook 2010, you'll need to be on Sage CRM version 7 with patch C or higher installed. So now let's jump in and take a look. Here we have Outlook 2010. In previous versions, as you can see in this overlay of Outlook 2007, we were able to view Sage CRM from within Outlook. But as we've mentioned, because Outlook 2010 no longer supports web browsing, we can no longer view Sage CRM as an Outlook embedded screen. So now let's take a closer look at the new integration. You'll notice that Outlook 2010 now incorporates the ribbon-style menu, and Sage CRM has its own tab. All of the functions here are the same as in previous versions, with the exception of the View Contact button, which was another casualty of the Outlook browser support issue. The behavior of the File Email and Add Contacts functions has changed, so let's take a look at each one. Here's an email that we received from a customer, Simon Yoltoy. Let's file this email under his record in Sage CRM by clicking the File Email button. The change in behavior that we see with Outlook 2010 is that the email filing screen opens as a pop-up window rather than being an embedded screen within Outlook. So let's now review the information, and we can see that the system has correctly matched Simon's email with his contact and company in Sage CRM. Let's associate this with an ongoing sales opportunity for filing and organization purposes, and now we can either file and view the email or just file it. Let's file it without viewing, and the window closes. Notice that a check has been placed in the CRM file column, indicating that this email has been filed in Sage CRM. In a moment, we'll jump over to Sage CRM and view the email we just filed. But first, let's look at the Outbound email integration. So let's go to the Home tab, then hit the New Email button, and we'll send this email to Simon Yoltoy, our favorite demo customer. You'll find the Sage CRM integration functions for outbound emails on the Add-ins tab. Hitting the Send and File button will automatically place a copy of the email under the Contacts Communications tab in Sage CRM. The Attach Shared Document button allows us to access documents that are stored on the CRM server. Let's suppose that we need to send a product brochure to Simon, so we'll click the button, and in the pop-up window, we can see the documents that are stored in Sage CRM's Shared Documents library. Let's send Simon the Sage CRM Overview brochure and click Attach. Now we'll enter a quick subject, Product Brochure, and for demo purposes, we'll just type a quick message, "Here's the brochure." And finally, we'll hit Send and File. Now the Sage CRM email filing pop-up opens, and this time, the action is set to email out. Let's again associate this with a sales opportunity, and then we'll click File Email. Now let's switch over to Sage CRM, and we already have it open to Simon Yoltoy's record, and we're on his Communication tab. Let's refresh the screen by clicking the tab, and there are the inbound and outbound emails that we just filed. Now let's return to Outlook and walk through adding a contact. Here we'll switch to the Contacts view. Next, we'll highlight the contact that we want to synchronize over to Sage CRM. Let's choose Colin Smith of CS Industries, and we'll open the CRM tab and click Add Contact. Once again, the Sage CRM screen opens in a pop-up. Let's go ahead and click Save, and then close the screen. Now let's jump over to Sage CRM and open the Contacts tab under My CRM. The Contacts tab is where you'll find contacts that are synchronized between the two applications. As you can see, our new contact, Colin Smith, has been added here, and we can view his record by clicking the link. The last integration item to look at is the calendar, and its functionality remains unchanged from previous versions. Let's take a quick look by entering an appointment. To do this, we'll right-click on New and select Appointment. Here we'll enter some details, Meeting to discuss software implementation. And we'll leave the date set for the 12th and change the time to 2 p.m. And finally, we'll hit Save. So now let's switch back to Outlook and we'll open the Outlook calendar. Notice that there's nothing scheduled on the 12th. To sync the appointment from Sage CRM, we'll open the CRM tab and then hit the Sync button. The synchronization takes a few moments to run. And now on the 12th, there's our appointment that originated from Sage CRM. And that completes our walkthrough tutorial of Sage CRM's Outlook 2010 integration. Give us a call if you need assistance with this or any other feature in your Sage CRM system. Well, that's it for this tutorial. Bye for now.